I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
Today we are going to discuss about the common doubts of Nabatean cyst. This Nabatean cyst, all you have some doubt. So I will clear all your doubts with explanation. Before going to explanation, let me tell you what is Nabatean cyst. These Nabatean cysts are a lump that is filled with mucus. This mucus that mainly appears on the lump that is mainly appears on the surface of the cervix. Hence it forms this cyst and it is known as Nabatean cyst. So the first common query is this Nabatean cyst harmful? The Nabatean cyst doesn't cause any serious complications, but you have to note that if your cyst is small, you doesn't felt any symptoms. But if you have symptom or if you have too many cysts, that may cause some symptoms like pelvic pain or offensive vaginal discharge. All this may cause. So in this manner, your symptoms may appear according to the size of the cyst and number or quantity of the cyst. This is the first common query of this Nabatean cyst. And the next common query is this Nabatean cyst a cancerous? The Nabatean cyst or cervical cyst are not a cancerous, but they may, or the most common form of a cervical cyst is this Nabatean cyst. So you doesn't or you can't worry about this if you have any Nabatean cyst, because it is not a cancerous, and you have to remember that all cervical cysts may not be a cancerous. And the next common query is why this Nabatean cyst occurs. This mainly occurs if you given any childbirth. So if you given any childbirth, there will be a new tissue growth occurs. This new tissue will helps to or will block the opening of Nabatean gland. So this blockage will leads to formation of mucus secretions. This mucus secretion will finally lead to form a cyst and also known as and called as Nabatean cyst. So this is the main or reason for occurrence of this Nabatean cyst. And the next common query is, does this Nabatean cyst go away? This Nabatean cyst usually disappear without any treatment. Some people follow a good healthy lifestyle, so this Nabatean cyst doesn't cause any serious complications, then that will be disappear without any treatment. But for some persons, there will be growth of Nabatean cyst occurs. This is mainly due to their lifestyle. So if you can control your lifestyle, you can prevent this growth of this all cervical cyst. And the next common query is, does this Nabatean cyst have any smell? Usually this cyst have no smell, but in some cases if this cyst ruptures, that will cause a foul smelling vaginal discharge occurs. This is mainly occur in case of a large Nabatean cyst. And the next common query is, does this Nabatean cyst will be leads to infertility? The answer is, for this it is related to mainly the quantity and size of the cyst. If the size of the cyst will be small and the quantity is small, that may be disappear without any treatment. But for some persons, this Nabatean cyst may be their quantity will be large or their cyst growth occurs, that will leads to a primary cause of infertility. So you have to note that if a cervical cyst or any other ovarian cyst that their growth increases, that will leads to or cause infertility. Next, the common query is, does this Nabatean cyst misdiagnosed? The answer is, if the size of the cyst large, there will be a possibility to misdiagnose as a uterine tumors or any other malignancy. And the next common query is, how to know if you have a Nabatean cyst? For small Nabatean cyst doesn't cause any symptoms, but for a people who have large Nabatean cyst, that may cause a symptoms like pelvic pain, a feeling of heavy in the vagina or fullness. All these are the major symptoms of Nabatean cyst. And the next common query is, what about the size of Nabothian cyst? The normal size is 0.2 to 0.3 centimeter, but if you have the size is larger than 1 centimeter, you have to visit nearby gynecologist immediately to prevent other complications and infections. So these are all the common queries about this Nabothian cyst. If you have small Nabothian cyst, you doesn't have to worry. But if you have large Nabothian cyst or so many Nabothian cysts, you have to worry and immediately you need a gynecologist treatment. That's all about today. Next day I will reach you with another topic. Thank you all. Have a nice day.